Good morning, guys. Today is finally the day before the Firework Festival in Kumamoto prefecture. It is one of the biggest firework festival in Kyushu. Just finished one and the only class I have today. Quite free. Finally back. My class is from 10:30 to 12 p.m. and right now we have 1 hour lunch break. So I'm gonna go and get my lunch. Hey. It was a fun time playing basketball during the lunch break. I didn't expect my classmate to invite me to play basketball together because we never did that before, and it was a really good time to strengthen our friendship. Right now I'm going for grocery since I have cancelled my meal for the weekends and Friday night. I need to go and buy some meats to cook for today dinners and for the next 2 days. Today is Friday. Usually I will go to play badminton at 4:30 p.m. at my school badminton court, and it's currently 4:10 p.m. so 10 more minutes and I will go to the court. Just done badminton and it's now 6:30 p.m. but it's already so dark because the sun sets at 6 p.m. right now. And I'm gonna cook my own dinner tonight. Oh yes! This is fun. This is the Japanese natto. Many people don't like it. I mean, many foreigners don't like it because of the smell. It smells really bad. Yeah. The first time I tried it, it smells really bad. I can't even swallow it. Yeah, and the yellow thing tastes like wasabi. I don't know is it wasabi, but it tastes like wasabi. I need to mix it. So the next step is to mix it with your rice.
Let's take it to the start. It was just me and my guitar, a dreamer on the road, no map, just all those stars. I never backed away, I played where I could play. Loneliness befriended me, felt older than my age. I let go a little, I fell for something new. It was sweet for a moment, this love I never knew. It called me little dreamer and said I'd be okay. I let go of my ambitions and promised I would stay. Now all of my dreams are floating like a river. At night in bed, talking to myself so wide awake. Oh, he kept telling me to let go of my goals. I never questioned, I just let go of my hopes. And now the vagabond lost herself to love, oh my lonely soul. And now I'm watching as he moves on toward the road, and I just wander through this empty town. Broken little dreamer, born to roam. Off you go. I think it's time to go. I think it's time to go. It's time to
I don't wanna make my bed, I'll save up all my energy. Instead, you take up all the energy I have inside. And I can't find a way to just ignore it. And I can't really take it anymore, 'cause I can't stop you from running around through my mind. Won't stop running, never will. I'll take some melatonin pills this time, 'cause I just wanna sleep tonight. Yeah, I just wanna sleep. But lately I've been sleeping way too much, 'cause baby, I've been dreaming about us. And I can't help but wish that all my dreams came true. But I'm not ever wishing on a star. That galaxies won't make you change your heart, won't make it any easier for me to stop dreaming about you. So I've been getting bags under my eyes, 'cause I've been staying up too late at night, just writing all my feelings out on this page. Deciding whether I should just confess or hide it. Tell myself it's for the best, but either way I go, I know you're never gonna feel the same. So So I drink my coffee harder iced to get me through another lonely night. I wanna fall asleep, but I shouldn't fall asleep this time. Cause lately I've been sleeping way too much. Cause baby, I've been dreaming about us, and I can't help but wish that all my dreams came true. But I'm not ever wishing on a star. The galaxies won't make you change your heart, won't make it any easier for me to stop dreaming about you.